Hey guys, here's my recap for the day. So I had a small red day today and I'm not liking the price action that I'm looking of the stocks I'm looking at. I had KHC, GLW, AMD and SQ in my watch list and I don't like the price action. I liked SQ for a short at the open, but I'm not having shares for short with CMEG on SQ. But coming to my trades, AMD was a harmonious chart on the daily. William called this out just before market open for a harmonious and potential long, and I liked it. It had everything that I look for a long. And I only trade AMD, MU, KHC, like not KHC, AMD, MU, Roku, Apple stock like these for the first 3 minutes. So I went long here on the pullback. I saw this 1 minute bullish candlestick. I went long here with the stop loss around this candlestick, around this level, like around the 50 on the one, but I got stopped out. And according to my rules, if I trade within the first 3 minutes, I only risk 0.25% of my account per trade. And if I am trading past the 5 minutes mark, I can take 0.35% risk of my account. So I have two hotkeys set. One is 0.35, one is 0.25. My other trades were on GLW, so I took I mean shorts. I traded GLW 2 times. And for long, it gapped down on the daily, but I was liking that it was holding the VWAP in the pre-market. It was bullish. So according to my playbook, I'm not taking it for a short. And thankfully I did not because it's a long apparently. So I went long here when I saw this bullish candlestick, and I always wait for a pullback. So I waited for a pullback. I went long here and I got stopped out at the break of the VWAP. Yeah, VWAP. Then I saw that it made two bullish 5 minutes candles. So that's why I went long again. I got 50% out here and I got stopped out at the break even. So this was minus 0.5 hour because I lost 1 hour here, I recovered 0.5 hour here, and I got out at break even. So this is minus 0.5 hour. Maybe less than that because this profit was more. I have to calculate. It's too early to calculate my profit and loss. Then I traded KHC, but yeah, one more thing. If I would have still traded, but then I stopped trading GLW because I don't like the price action. It broke this trend line, and as soon as it broke this trend line, it broke the 50 on the one. So I lost my trust in this stock, and if I'm not able to catch proper moves, I'm not able to understand the price action as per my journaling and my reviews, I'm not trading the stock. I'm not losing any more money on this. Then my other trades were on KHC. So the choppiest price action award goes to KHC for the day. KHC was gapping down and it was selling off in the pre-market, so I'm looking for a short here, but I went short with a bad risk, and I was looking for a bigger move as well. I was looking to hit the 28 level, and it failed to break this level, and it's still not breaking this level. I got stopped out. Then I went short again here. I covered 25%, got out at break even, but I lost some due to slippage. Then I saw that it's making lower highs on the one. See, this high is lower than this high is lower than this high is lower than this. That's why I went short here, but with the stop loss above 50, and I lost some in slippage again. That's a huge slippage because many orders are coming in at above the 50 on the one. That's why you lose some money in slippage. But in this case, I lost a lot more than I was expecting to lose. So yeah, these were my trades for the day, and it went above 50 on the one, but it's not in my playbook that I'm not taking it long. If I would have traded it, I would have traded it short again, but I'm not liking the price action, and I don't trust myself trading the stock anymore because I'm not able to understand the price action. So I'm not losing any more money if I don't understand what I am seeing, and I'm still like a big percentage away from my daily max loss limit, but I'm not trading if I don't like it. And like yesterday, I traded 3 stocks even past my daily profit target. So if I like the price action, I trade because market doesn't know your PNL for the day or your profit target. If I like it, I trade it. If I don't, I just stop. So hope you guys had a better day than me, and keep it green. Have a great day. See ya.